Gene, good morning. Welcome aboard. Yeah, so we're a little bit different format. We're gonna put the SYM, same screen, range and tick charts. We'll have our analysis screen on a different one. We'll adjust that later, but that way you guys don't feel like the YM's left out ever again. And on my screens, you'll have the trade screens, ESYM, YM on top, ES on the bottom. On wait for a screen, you're gonna have yes, YMNQ, RTY, gold, and crude. Just calling out zones. This was approved by Paul, so if you guys don't like it, yell at Coach Paul. Just tell me what to do. All right, we might be getting a little buy signal in the zone here. Let's go to the open. Let's see. Playing time. We'll look at a buy stop around this area. Let's see what we got here. Probably get away with something on the buy stop there. We're gonna get like there's one that you got attached to the HMA earlier.
All right. Well, let's see. Space.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. You guys quiet. What's going on? Not much going on. I see that I missed the first touch rule. That worked pretty well. Both YMES. But my plan today is going to be the same plan as always, trade from the zones. BPS. What's up, BPS? BPS. I'm just gonna like this buy stop a little further. I am on high alert, on high authority that they will not be buying the next contract. They, being the big boys and girls, will be selling it. So be aware of that. Nobody cares about that. And none of you guys care about that. The ES, which means they're gonna be selling probably every index contract. Oh, I just have on high authority that. But when is the next contract date? What is it? It will not be bought. It will be sold. Good morning, Lulu.
It's every 3 months.
No,
So it'll be December.
the December. We're on the
09.
oh yeah. The December contract will not be bought. Oh, money, what's happening? That's what I'm told. That they're going to be selling into the December contract.
Right after elections, right?
I'm sure that they'll probably start selling this. I'm guessing that means they're going to start selling now, and they're going to sell into the December contract, which means March should be the recovery contract. You would think. But what do I know? We're going to trade what we see. We're gonna, what do they say? Buy the rumor, sell the news.
Yeah.
There you go. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, I'm being serious, Ghost Pepper. I can't tell you where to get my info. I've made many friends in this industry. Many friends. Many
Mons
friends.
Venus.
Mons Venus. Well, I mean, you guys all know that I was friends with the late great Bob Dunn. That guy had information that nobody could get. Don't you? Half of you know that I was personal friends with Bob Dunn. Good. The great Bob Dunn. Man, that guy could trade. And he also traded like 20, like the big contracts too. I want to be friends with Jim Simmons myself. Are you kidding? I got so a daughter friend of mine actually works for him. Just, and I'm not trying to draw two and two, put two and two together. Bob Dunn. He's a big time trader. Bob Dunn was a big time floor trader, big time just a big time trader. He passed recently, yes. Jim Simmons, yeah. So a friend of mine's daughter went to like MIT and they recruited her. So she works for the organization. The man, that's pretty cool though. I mean, really. She works for the largest hedge fund in the history of the planet. And you got a physics degree from MIT. The Ladies of Liberty. Hey, look at that. That's pretty cool. You should get everybody's picture and do something like that. Is it? Is that Mo Money that gets to be Superman or Lady Ty? Who is that? Superwoman. Sorry. Coming from a coding background. Yeah, working at Renaissance Capital, dude. You'd have like it would be the coolest thing ever. The biggest company that nobody knows exists. What was I in the background?
It's the buy
Just
off of
Black
the
Widow.
NQ right here at the low.
Where's that? Anybody take that NQ? I said. I told you if it broke 87, it was going to get 77.
It'll be a buy here at the NQ here in a second.
Calling the zones. Call the zones.
Call the zones. Zone it up.
Could be millions. Could mean like a cool billion. Yeah, I mean, think about it, Ed. Think about this, Ed. Renaissance Capital is basically the ones that built the foundation for every derivative system we have. Isn't that cool? Isn't that crazy? You get to trade, like literally, because of Renaissance Capital, you probably get to trade the minis here and these contracts. That's probably the reason why. Hey, loser. It's easy there, guys. Did you? Send me that interview. That'd be cool to see. You know, I love the book, The Man Who Solves Markets. I love that book. You ladies are getting a little out of hand here. Take that to the off-topic chat. Oh my God! What are the trials going to think? What are the trials going to think? All right, let's do a quick poll. New layout. Do you guys like it? Both assets on one screen for me. and wait for it calling out the zones on the other asset. Other 6 assets.
YM and oh, I got 2 YMs here. Dripping out of the zone here.
Everybody gets a voice. Here we go. Here's a poll. Well, we're going so slowly. Glad I canceled that buy stop. Here's your poll. Here's a sign.
Here's your sign.
As we come into the open here, wow, guys, this is trying to do something. You guys want to do something? I mean, yeah, ES caught a little, wait for it, caught a little short from that zone. On the YM, yes, I don't really see anything. I mean, again, I go back over to my little. I do kind of like having these other charts bigger. It gives me a better view of the
Yeah, cleaner. That's why I moved my higher time frames off.
frame.
Yeah, because it just gives you a bigger chart. See it clear. See more. You don't have to have those candles scrunched down so tight.
That gives me a very coming down in some support. I mean, this is easy to see too. I like it. I actually kind of like it like this. Get my little analysis done quickly over here. Little support area coming in. There's a weird support. There's a weird zone for the YM guys. You might see a decent little buy signal come from there again. Hey, look at that. 92% say yes.
People don't like it. 8% doesn't
Good,
like
everybody
it.
would like it. Oh man, I want to make everybody happy.
I thought we get a unanimous on that one. Apparently not.
Well dang. But thanks for your voice. I'd say 92% is pretty close. Reach out to me. Talk to me if you don't like it, and we'll make a reason to we'll get a screen up that's old school. Or we can get somebody to volunteer to put a screen up that's old school. Or I'll put one up that's old school. How about that?
Well, you could always do that on your other.
Yeah, I got another computer. Yeah, all right. You know what, guys? We do
Let's
everything
try it this
to
way
appease,
today.
we appease everybody. Tomorrow I'll have another screen up that's old school. I'm pretty sure I know which asset those few of you that like the old way.
I'm guessing YM.
So we'll have that rocking and rolling for you. All right, if we get the zone to get decent buy signal on ES, I'm gonna take that. This actually is a zone that I wanted, but they're so close together. Even if this provides a little buy signal here, I might look at a buy stop. Let's see here. What's the video? What time is it? 9:22. Ooh. Look a little close to the open for me. All right, I'm gonna be conservative. And it has been pushing down steady. It is in a support area. ES is a support. YM is an interesting. It's in a very interesting area. I'd say on the YM right now. Here's a good, easy plan for you guys today. On the YM, if there's a narrow range you can play on the YM. Here, use this low on this. If the YM stays below, are you guys ready for this? You ready for a plan before we get rocking and rolling? People ready for a plan? You want to write it down? You guys want to write it down? Get ready. Here we go. Got a plan for you now. It took me a while to get my mind in gear. I found out yesterday that somebody on my team had COVID, and I've been feeling a little. I was
Oh,
wondering why my nose was like drowsy, and so I probably have a little COVID. Good thing I don't do anything around other people. All right, easy plan for the YM here. Easy peasy plan for the YM. And COVID hasn't hit me that. If it is COVID, it's not hit me that bad since I've been better because I guess my immune system's a little better, huh? If the YM stays below 41,109, you will want to sell it heavily. All right, got it? Write that down. You got it? All right. 2. If the YM stays above 41,163, you are going to want to buy it heavily. So pretty much anything below the pivot, you're selling hard, and anything above the upper zone, you're buying heavy. ES. This is going to be really easy for the ES. It's an inside day again. It is an inside day again. Again and again. These inside of the inside days. Real easy. Tracing the zones on the ES today. I don't care what the trend is on the ES right now. ES trend does not matter right now. Let's get a buy signal from this zone. Are we up for business yet?
Nope, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Somebody's just pushing it down so they can buy it, huh? Looks like
5
that.
minutes.
Let's see. We don't have on a daily chart here. Let's look at a daily chart. They're in July, August, so they can make a shop in August, I guess, and then sell it in September. That would be I guess that would be what they do. Inside day, changing the zones. I just missed my buy signal. I would have taken that one. We are a little close to the open for that. What do you guys want to talk about? There's your plans. Easy plans, right? ES, trade from the extremes. YM, treat it as an inside day unless price moves out of that very narrow range. So be picky with your trades while the YM is in this narrow range. Very, very picky. And again, please, those of you who said no to the new layout, please reach out to me. Let's talk about it. Let's find a solution that you like, because there's a few of you, and you will stay anonymous. Target's off on the long shot. On that long, if somebody did the long off the zone, I always said trade in the zones with the ES, like what, how many times? 4, I think. Man. It's weird. That should have fired a buy signal right there, Paul. It did. That would be a valid one right there. Boom. That'd be a money one too.
Yeah, that one's right out of. Yeah, that's perfect.
It's
That's
two.
that's.
Both of them this morning would have been absolutely spot on. Killed it.
I'm telling you,
I would turn it off at that point.
this thing's gonna be a money maker.
I would turn it off. I'd turn it off at that point and be done with it. We're talking about here, guys. If you look at my ES screen, is this where this red arrow is formed on like the 9-tick rule, it would automatically take that trade. Oh, we are open for business, and they are pushing it up on the YM. Looks like we're open for business. No, we're not. What's going on here? We didn't have any news at this time. We have news at 10, right? These people acting all crazy. Are you guys looking at my ES screen? You guys want to see what we're talking about? Yes or no? Hello, or ES screen? My trade screen. You guys looking at my trade screen? How about that? You guys want to see what we're talking about? Okay. All right. So we updated these zones this morning, and as price came into that zone and that red arrow would fire, the auto trader would have automatically put you into that short trade. And this green one already this morning, this arrow that came into this zone would have put you into that long trade already.
Both of them winners. They done.
And that would have been day done for you. That's what we're talking
Tell you,
about.
this thing's going to be awesome.
That do you guys think that would have been day done? Because that would have been the only two trades it would have taken. Would have been day done for you. Hey, what's up? Drop more, buddy. And let's get you a badge. I would have been day done with it.
That's the Liberty Signals, Ed.
Yeah, it's Coach Hugo makes it. I'd be day done. Hey, reach out and get a badge, buddy. Send a message on the.
Reach out and get an
yeah.
STD.
Let's get that guy badge. Go to.
Can we please get rid of the STD badge and switch them all to just member?
Just member, yeah.
Some of them already
Please,
have
somebody.
members on them.
Go there. Go there and click on that. Start a nice little message with Coach Hugo and Miss Paulina. Get yourself a nice badge. And those of you with STDs, please do the same thing and say, please just change me to there.
Get rid of my STD, please.
Please get rid of my STD. Go there, hound them. There's nothing Coach Paul and I can do about it. They're the ones with the magical, what do we call it? The magical access to your badges. I don't even know how to, if I tried. All right, are we open for business yet? Because this is getting really hard to do with. All right. I did want to buy from there. I missed that buy signal, guys, and that's my fault. I really did want to buy from there. Dagnabbit on the ES. YM, as I said before, you're buying above the pivots, right? You guys are buying above the pivot on the YM. No, you can't leave, Blue. We need you on the mic. Those of you on trial, please go watch the videos. Please go to libertytradingclub.com. Watch those videos on the right-hand side. Will help you understand the craziness that we are going through here and that we talk about. We have changed our layout a little bit. We're going to see how we like it. If you don't like it, we'll go back. Wait for it has all 6 asset classes that we're providing zones on his screen. Now, keep in mind, guys, that will be a room and it's on in the future. 6 asset classes. Wait for it. We'll just be calling out trades from the zones. Correct? Wait for it. Correct.
That's right.
So those of you who have the capability of trading multiple assets, you will want to be there with wait for it on that, and you will just be trading from the zones because why? The zones work, and so your job in that room will just be to wait until an asset class gets to a zone and take said trade. And we'll test the layout in this room, keep it the same or change it back however you guys like it the best. Staying long on the YM for now, looking for a buy signal on the ES. Not price action isn't too crazy, and you start trading from the extremes on the ES, so you can buy from here, guys. It's not quite my plan, but I would like that. I like that signal. It's going to go up. Those of you that are newer to trading, please sit on the sidelines for a couple minutes. Let the big boys and girls watch themselves out first. Wash, as my dad would say. Wash themselves out. And we go with that. So if you took the buy signal I just called on the ES, take your targets off. YM. Let it pull back here. Get yourself another first touch roll on YM and take that one to the house. Yes, you still got to play this range, but you might break out of this range. This is like the death range on the ES here. You got to get above that one level right there to even be happy with the longs. So you're trading the extremes here on the ES. Anybody do the long signal on the ES there? That I called? Anybody at all do the long signal? That's the James. Hey, don't we have a call today? We got a call today, don't we? I think we have a call today. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, we'll have a call today.
First touch on the NQ.
Good. Yeah,
Short. If it holds underneath it.
sweet. Good. And you guys that do want to trade multiple assets, please listen and wait for it. I know I run my mouth a lot. You just have to talk over me and wait for it sometimes. Let's see. Here's a was that too aggressive? Here's a buy signal forming on the YM guys. Stay long on the ES now. I
No,
wish I was
on
in it.
NQ.
Was that too aggressive? Wait for it.
No.
Okay. Do something like that. There's your buy signal on the YM guys. And I'm just sitting on the sidelines helping you guys make money. That's okay. I'll get my chance here in a minute. And then I shall switch to Sim. You guys should be excited. You get a dual class today with a horse coach. Mr. Ed's doing it. Can anybody hear me? You guys think I'm just stupid right now? Is it a good job? Bad job? Coaches? Anybody? Can you guys
Hey.
hear me? Okay.
I'm just talking away in mute. Yes, you're good.
Okay. I'm doing a good job with comedy and the keeping you guys trying to make you some money. Staying that long. That long's going to work out on the YM guys. I'm telling you. Get another first touch rule. Maybe a first touch rule here on the ES. Not quite my plan there. I want to see it back in the zone. Come back to the zone and give me a buy signal. I'll take it. Let me get ready for it. Let's see. 2 contracts. Let's do that. Let's get ready for it. Plan your trade in advance. And if your trade doesn't happen, pass on it. This would have been my trade back here at 9.26, but it was just so close to the open that I was kind of afraid of. I would not be afraid of buying from here or there. I want to get a little deeper, get back toward that junk back here. Come on back toward the junk a little bit. I told you that long on the YM is going to work out. Did anybody get it? Get your targets off? Anybody? Comedy? There was some comedy mode money, huh? There was a little comedy. I think it was funny. Coach Paul and Wait For It are not helping me with my comment. Nice little long signal
Sorry.
forming now. Dang it.
I'm helping people with their other stuff.
Too late on that long. Dang it. More money, you distracted me and you made me miss my trade. I called the long from the zone. Hopefully you guys took it. Anybody take the long on the all right, Zod's got it. It's all right, more money. I appreciate you. That's good, man. I'll get another trade. At least you guys got it, right? Some of you guys got it. Long on the Y. I called the long on the YM. You guys should have that. Targets off, stops up to I'm on point this morning. I'm just not on point with my trading. I'm on point with you guys. 256 on the YM stop and get yourself to a no lose on the ES just for now. It's going to come back and you got to break that swing high at I need to pull this is what I need over here. I need my trusty data box. Break that swing high there at it's going to do it in a second. Stay long on the ES. Now you can use a stop of 84.75, 84.85 on the ES. You can use that as a stop. Holding strong to your stop at what did I say before? 260 something. Should be at like 260. You're gonna be flat. Never mind. Yeah, everybody. You guys good? Stay long on the ES. Bring your stop up now on the ES with a couple more ticks, I would think. It is breaking this high. Dealer's choice. I think you got a chance of staying in this at 85. I do think you have a chance of staying in. Oh, maybe not. There you go. All right, let me see if I can try to get one this time. Good little trade there, guys. That's a pretty good little trade, don't you guys think?
Yeah, it was nice.
Decent little trade. ES just can't ES can't battle that top of the. Looking at my bigger time frames here, that's a solid. I need to move this up here because this is a solid area right there. That is absolutely solid. That's gonna stand. That's standing real strong.
Got W on the RTY bouncing out of zone.
I like that. I like that you're calling that in the background. Now, this is going to be really cool because when you have your own room doing that, that's going to be people are going to look good. Advanced traders that can trade multiple assets will like that. Now, again, most people should be focusing on one asset and getting good at that. There's the first touch rule in the ES working too, and you're getting another one forming on the YM. These are little long trades. I missed that long on the ES, but in my plan, I was looking over here at this.
All right, let's trade.
Was it double top it yesterday? Yeah, Ed's got it too.
Pull back on it.
That's probably about it on the top side, guys. Stop on the long trades. Be careful on the long trades with the ES right now. Good looking out, Ed. Good looking out. Why did I put that zone there? Hello. I know why. Because it worked earlier this morning. YM double top. Weird little. I don't understand this area on the YM. There must be a little resistance in that area. Future reference. Let's see what we got here. Something there. Did anybody do the long signal on the ES? Anybody at all? Anybody do the long signal? Yeah. Usually does. So you guys get 2 classes today. 2 classes in one. Ending your trade in advance and a follow-up on using the HMA as a confirmation tool. And then Mr. James gets to have his coaching call with me. Look at those zones working. See, and this would be one that would be taken too, Paul, on the short side.
Yeah,
As a matter of fact, the other one on the long side would have been taken as
would have
well.
worked. Yeah, would have worked too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
I'm
other
telling
one
you,
on the short side would have worked.
it's money. It's just money.
Look at this. That's 1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5,
and then the
6
short.
now.
Yeah.
5 winning trades, and this might be the one loser.
Yeah, that's a loss.
Yeah, all right. I'll take 5 winning trades and 1 loser. I would have turned it off. I would have turned it off at the second trade anyway.
Bouncing out of his zone on the ES.
We are bouncing out of the zone. Stay long on the ES now. I just wish I was in it. Thank you. Dag damn it. Now you finally got the buy signal on the YM too. I was afraid of the longs here for a minute though, guys. I gotta be honest with you. I'll be honest with you. What's going on down here? Price typically relaxing. Yes, it does react to the or not open, high, low, close. All right, everybody be quiet so Lulu can't hear. Stay long on the ES, by the way. Nothing to do with this now. Except for just keep putting out how well the zones are working. I could do that. Is anybody trading this morning? Hopefully you guys are making money. I'm not right now, and I wish I was. You guys getting those longs in? I mean, those longs were good calls, so everybody should have a decent little so far this morning. If you need takes, let me know. Picked right
Bounce
into
out
that
bottom of
zone.
the GC.
It literally just into that zone, Paul, too.
Yeah.
I got a sell signal. And that is at the extreme, too, there, Lulu. So that's probably going to work out for a decent little trade. You would think. Maybe not. Makes sense. That's all right. Getting better. Good. I mean, guys, we've had 2 decent trade calls this morning that should be on a morning that's this slow, should be day done. I'm afraid to make this call up here. I mean, I know it's only 9:45, but slow market this morning. What are you gonna do? You could have been long on the ES. The ES just the one setup I wanted back here at this lower phone, I missed because I was running my mouth with you guys, and I'd still long on it. Maybe not. I'd get back in. I would have gotten back in had I made that move because I'd be in profits. But this is a situation, Paul, where you just turn on the long button, right?
Right. Yeah. You just directional.
Yeah. Even though this sell signal will work out right
We're
here.
on the RTY.
Sell signal working. Never mind. Depending on your stop, that's 6 for 6. Right? What do you say, Paul? Depending on your stop, if you have a set in stone stop.
Say it again. Sorry. You bro.
Stop is always the other side of the zone. That's
Yeah.
another
I
way to
mean,
trade
that's
right
where it's
there.
got to be, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's where it has to be.
It's 6 winning trades in a row. That's the thought process. You guys go. That's what you will see in your those of you that are Premier members will have that as soon as we can get as soon as we can really
We are
really
working
get
on
here
it.
you go to get that finished up and keep wait for it to put some finishing touches on things. It will be in the mill. But you guys better believe I'm gonna make some money on it before you do. I signal coming from the zone here on the YM finally, guys. I don't know if I like the buys there. Let's look at this. I would probably do like a W on this. Think for a W. Still get. I guess you got a little bit of a long setup there on the ES. I want it to come back to the zone. To be honest with you, it may not. It may also keep drifting higher. Targets off if you did it. Obviously, getting the W on the YM. Should probably have that in a minute. Give me just a second. I'll be back just a minute. Dang it! I want to be in one of these trades. Have you traded yet, Paul?
I have not. I've been helping people with some issues. I'm a little
Wait for it.
distracted,
Have
so
you got
I'm
a
not.
trade off?
I don't trade when I'm distracted.
Have you got a trade off yet this morning? Wait for it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's the only one beating us. He's beating us like.
I'm about ready to start looking
alright.
though.
I am ready. I'm ready. I want my zone back here. Want to come back down to the zone? Give me a nice little buy signal. And take it. I want to grab some coffee before it does that real quick. I'll be right back, guys.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com or use the link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and share.